Let's make mango barbecue chicken loaded potato nachos using the DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce. So let's get into this. Salt, onion powder, paprika, seasoned pepper, seasoned salt, mesquite barbecue, garlic powder, olive oil, the best balance of flavors. I have some salt, seasoned pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, olive oil. Drizzle a little more with oil in the pan. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna use the DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce to glaze our chicken. Then we're gonna go ahead and put everything together. Y'all, so we got our potatoes out. They're nice and crispy and ready to go for our nachos. So, I'm gonna put them here. We're gonna use this cast iron pan to assemble everything. So we got the potatoes. So these are like our chips, our potato chips. Some cheese. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese that I shredded up. Just a little bit of cheese. We're gonna take our chicken that we use our mango barbecue sauce with. We're gonna put a little bit of that on the first layer. Some chunks of it. Then I'm gonna take some more potatoes and put the rest of the potatoes on top that we have here. Take the rest of our chicken and we're going to put that on top like so. It's our barbecue chicken. Kind of distribute it evenly. Then you're gonna take the rest of your cheese and then we're gonna put this in the oven and let the cheese melt. You don't want too much cheese, you want enough cheese, but not too much cheese because then it kind of gets soggy and all put together. So you want some cheese on there, but you don't want to overly cheese it, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 425, just until all the cheese adheres to the potatoes. Mango barbecue chicken nachos are out of the oven. They look really yummy. Yummy, yummy. I'll get a close up for y'all, but see how they look? They look good, y'all. Good, huh? Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put our fixings on there. So I have some sour cream. So I'm gonna make it a little more creamier or like a drizzle like. So I'm gonna add a little bit of heavy cream. This is like a hack, just to get it a little more liquefied, so when I put it on there, it won't be like a dollop. It'll be more, I can kind of drizzle a little better, if that makes sense to you. And then we have some rainbow tomatoes that I have here. So it comes with like yellow, orange, red, and they're a little sweeter. And I get mine from Whole Foods, and this is the Wild Wonders brand. And so we're gonna start with the tomatoes. And so I've chopped them up like in like fours. We're just gonna sprinkle those on top. And you can do whatever you want your fixings to be, y'all. You kinda want them spread out. And then I have some green onions. So I think what I'm gonna do first, let's start. Let's put a little bit of the sour cream on top first. And then we're gonna drizzle a little more of the mango barbecue sauce on top, DivineKuizine's mango barbecue sauce. And then we're gonna put our green onions on top of that. This looks so delicious. I cannot wait to go on and taste it, y'all. You know I'm greedy. I am greedy. And there you have it. Mango barbecue chicken loaded potato nachos. So let's get ready to go in for the taste. Pick up that DivineKuizine Remoulade sauce. So let's go in for the taste. Let's go in. Y'all hear that crisp? They good, y'all. Let me get some of the chicken, because that was just like cheese and barbecue sauce. So we just got a little chunk of chicken on this chunk of chicken. Bussin'. Every flavor, it's like a explosion of flavors in your mouth. So you get the potato, which is nice and crispy and seasoned, right? And then you got that mango barbecue sauce with that chunk of chicken, which is sweet, which is spicy, which is smoky, tangy, all in one. And then you cool it down with like the sour cream and the tomatoes and the green onions. It's like an explosion in your mouth. This is really easy to make. Remember, we just sliced up some potatoes, we seasoned them. We made our chicken with the mango barbecue, DivineKuizine's mango barbecue sauce. We put our fixings on it. This is a must make. The kids would like it. Adults would like it game day. This is good for summertime. Even like if you go to your pool, you can take this and eat off of it. I'm a snacker, so this is like a good snack. And this doesn't take that long. It probably takes about maybe 30 minutes to put everything together. A must make. To get the recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. If you're watching me on YouTube, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you haven't followed me on YouTube yet, go ahead and follow me on YouTube for more recipes, my DIYs, my home decor, and everything else. I'm gonna go in and eat some more of these loaded mango barbecue nachos. Don't forget to pick up that DivineKuizine mango barbecue sauce. Love y'all, Chef Shay.